A lot of this is, I have to say, for me.
Oh, really? Hi, folks. Welcome back to my channel. We have a quick video for you today. John and I are here to open a box that we got today from Culture Japan. Some things for our smart dolls. And we thought we would just get started and give you guys a quick look at what's in the box.
Oh.
Oh. Oh my gosh, the bags are so cute.
Okay, so I kind of wish the canvas bags that come with the girls had the
I
characters
think
on it.
they might have at one point.
These are very
I think
cool.
I've seen some older videos that have that graphic on them.
And another. All right.
Nice.
You can have this one.
Okay. I want to put one in my craft room. I want to frame it and put it in my craft room. It's really cute.
A lot of this is, I have to say, for me.
Oh, really?
Well, I mean, a lot of it's we got because of photography and wanting more options for photography.
Yeah, I don't know everything that you bought.
All right, well, here's number one, which everyone already saw.
Oh yeah, doll nudity. So this is the large bust. It's really not as bad as I thought it was. I had never seen one in person before. I thought it was a lot more exaggerated than it actually is.
Yeah, this one, it feels like between like the regular and the medium, it doesn't increase, like the chest doesn't actually get all that much bigger. It just gets a little bit fuller, whereas this actually gets wider and well, not fuller, but
yeah, I noticed there's actually like there's between the small and the medium, there's actually not a measurement change, but there is between the medium and the large because there's actually side boob on them. Okay, so we got those.
And my personal favorite bust, the push-up.
The push-up bust, which is good because I'm actually
brust.
I actually have in mind to make some more historical garments, some period things, some corsets and stuff. So having the push-up bust will be quite useful.
I would love to see a smaller push-up bust.
Yeah, a smaller one, like because not everybody has large boobs to push up.
Especially since like you can't change the anatomy of the doll. The doll doesn't squeeze like a human body does, right? So when you're doing things like dresses, corsets, etc., you need an actual. This is why I'm looking forward to this. You need a push-up bust like this specifically to emulate the effect that dress or corset is actually having on the body.
Right. Turbo stand? Is that what it's called?
The turbo joint.
Turbo joint. So this actually goes in the back of the stand.
Basically, it gives you a hinge on your the stand that they come with, mm-hmm. and that allows you to. I mean, I like it just for getting a much more downward angle, mm-hmm. Because the natural angle that the stand has is way out. So you can get it at much different angles, whether it be left, right. You know, you can actually go straight back with it. So the second one is mainly for the fact that we have two dolls, and it'd be easier to deal with them if they're in the same picture together. Although I will say, after having looked at these on the website, mm-hmm. I kind of want a collection enough to make an octopus, like a Doc Ock arm, like Danny has on the website.
It's so creepy. It's flesh toned.
Well, they'll probably change that at some point. But,
I think they are going to. I think he's said that. I think they're going to be orange.
Yeah, like so the caps are now. So yeah, that's adding to the collection again for photography mostly. Okay.
This is the air stand?
Yes.
Okay.
So the thing I really am looking forward to, and I'm probably going to have to buy another one, I just didn't want to spend the money right now, is it's a nice, like, direct, straight down stand. But what I'm really interested in, So this actually has the ability to, yes, screw into the base here, but also screw into like a typical 1/4-inch threaded post on like a tripod.
Okay.
So I am looking forward to actually being able to really get some height out of the stands, and which will help a lot with taking pictures that have more perspective.
The dog wants to come up.
All right. Take the collar off. All right. Hand pack number 1.
Hand pack number 1. Should we take a look at what's in? It looks like we've got peace signs.
Looks like mostly finger stuff, like so pointing, peace sign, just like a, it's not a fist, but just naturally holding your hand closed, a thumbs up. And
then you
that
can do
is
that
it.
with both hands. Okay. Being on camera. Oh, which hand pack is that? 3?
This is the only, no, 3 is not available. This is hand pack 4.
Oh,
so we
okay.
already had 2. So we have the creepy banshee hand and the crossing fingers. This is the love. Although I feel a little bit like it doesn't quite get the right angle. So the love sign would typically be more crossing there.
Maybe if you just position it right on her hand.
You gotta like see it like, there you go. That's about the best I can do.
Yeah. I've seen it in pictures where people have gotten it pretty close.
And then grabbing onto something like, we have a grabby one, but this is more of a something like a cylinder, the hilt of a sword, or
right,
a staff, or I was gonna say umbrella, but So those are the hands.
Yeah, so this is kind of new to me because John places all of our orders.
I placed 2, to be clear.
Okay, you placed 2 orders, but you ordered the dolls to begin with.
Yes.
So it's easier to just have him place the next orders because they know that we already have dolls through him. So.
And then I'm somewhat less likely to just start buying dolls.
I've been really good.
And I picked up a couple of the lingerie options that he has.
Those are cute. You got the black set too?
Yep, one
nice.
for each of us. One for Luma and one for Cammy. I'm assuming this will be for Cammy. She can pull off the sexy black underwear. And that is all I bought.
That's everything?
That is.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't buy another doll, if that's what you're thinking.
Well, I didn't think a doll was going to fit in that box. So that was really neat. It's nice to get a box from them. It shipped really, really fast. Danny and his team they have really good customer service, and they really do take care to make sure that everything gets out safely and arrives safely since it's coming from Japan, which is really great. And we're so excited about the Smart Dolls. And if you're wondering where the sewing is, well, it is happening. And you can see some pictures on my Instagram if you're interested in what I'm working on. And hopefully I will have some things here on YouTube pretty soon for you to see. You can also follow John on Instagram to see the photography he's been doing. He is at Smart Doll Folio, and we will put that for you to find it. And other than that, Olivia and John and I will catch you next time. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Put some things in the comments. If you liked anything that you saw, or you have any information for us on how we can use these parts that we got, we'd really appreciate it. That's it. Take care.
Have a good one, everybody.